Smart contact lenses and intraocular pressure monitoring device for glaucoma. Glaucoma is a condition that affects the optic nerve, the connection between the eye and the brain. If left untreated, it can lead to vision loss and blindness and remains to be a leading cause of irreversible blindness worldwide, known as the silent thief of sight, which is often detected way too late. It is estimated that 300,000 Australians have glaucoma, but about half these people don't know they have the disease. It requires continuous monitoring, but here's the problem. Intraocular pressure, also known as IOP, fluctuates throughout the day, and current testing methods only measure it during clinic visits, missing critical spikes that can lead to vision loss. These current methods are also invasive, expensive, and uncomfortable. This is where emerging technologies like smart contact lenses are here to change the game. IOP is the most significant modifiable risk factor to improve this disease. The only issue is that current IOP measurements are clinic based and infrequent. Thus, the need to have continuous non invasive IOP monitoring is crucial for personalized treatment. But this remains challenging with conventional tonometry. A quick look into the presentation outline. I'll be going over a quick smart contact lenses breakdown, what they are and how they work, the benefits and the effectiveness, limitation and risks, ethical and societal complications, and future innovations. Imagine if your contact lenses could do more than correct your vision. Imagine if they could monitor your health in real time. Imagine if Introducing smart contact lenses. They combine microelectronics, biosensors, and wireless communication to turn our human eye basically into a diagnostic tool. They can detect changes in intraocular pressure for people with glaucoma to capture a 24-hour IOP monitoring for personalized treatment. By lowering the IOP, this will slow and may even terminate any of the progression that glaucoma has caused, as this will minimize optic nerve damage. This offers a non invasive, continuous window into the body's health. So here's how it works. When the pressure in the eye increases, the cornea slightly bulges outward by just a few micrometers. The lens's embedded strain gauge senses that deformation and converts it into an electrical signal. This signal is then sent wirelessly to a receiver, often a small antenna worn around the eye or connected to a smartphone. Doctors, nurses, and clinicians can then analyze these patterns to detect dangerous IOP spikes that might otherwise go unnoticed. The biggest advantage of smart contact lenses is continuous, non invasive monitoring without the need for needles or bulky equipment. Patients gain access to real time health feedback, allowing earlier intervention. However, the technology remains expensive and experimental, meaning accessibility is currently limited to research and pilot programs. Smart contact lenses allow clinicians to see a patient's eye pressure patterns over a full day, something that's impossible with clinic based tests. This continuous data helps tailor treatments and detect harmful spikes early. Clinical trials show these lenses closely match standard tonometry readings, while patients report good comfort and usability. In short, they make glaucoma care more proactive rather than reactive. Despite their promise, smart contact lenses face significant challenges, unfortunately. Ensuring biocompatibility is critical. Even tiny increases in temperature and incorrect calibration can irritate the cornea or distort the readings. Data accuracy variations due to corneal biomechanics, lens comfort and biocompatibility issues for long term wear, high cost and limited commercial availability, regulatory approval is still in progress for continuous home use. These technical barriers are the biggest hurdles to widespread adoption. As with many digital health devices, data privacy is a major concern. Continuous data collection from the eye could expose sensitive health information. So, thus, the questions arise: who owns this data? Can it be hacked or misused? And does it secure patient data? Furthermore, as these devices are costly, they risk widening the gap between those who can and cannot afford the next generation care. Looking ahead, the next generation for these smart contact lenses for monitoring IOP is continuously evolving, well beyond its ability for pressure sensing. Companies are attempting to embed micro reservoirs of ocular drugs, such as treatment, directly into the lens matrix. These reservoirs can be triggered to release a specific medication on demand when the sensor detects any pressure spike in the eye for IOP. With AI integration, these lenses could predict health risks before symptoms even appear. Lenses are also being designed to include another monitoring of a larger range of biomarkers in the tear fluid. This includes glucose, lactate, and inflammatory cytokines. These are all the new developments we are looking to see in the near future, hopefully. Thank you for listening.